Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you two methods on how you can fix sold out or out of stock, even if you still have inventory but you see this sold out button here. Now like your customers are not be able to add this product to cart or buy it. Okay, so what you guys need to do to fix this problem, first let's start with the easy method. Okay, just go to your product here. Okay, as you can see your products, and after that, as you can see, this is the product we have a problem with. It says here sold out. Now we are going to search for this product, click on it. Now you want to scroll down, okay, and keep scrolling until you see here track quantity. Okay, so you want to uncheck it, as you can see here, uncheck it and click on save, and you want to check it again and select this continue selling going out of stock, click on save. Okay, now after guys you click on save, see if the problem is there okay or not. Okay, just to reload the page, as you can see it still says here sold out. Now we want to uncheck it again, click again on save and check again, click on save, and see now if the problem is still there. Now I'm going to reload this page. As you can see now it allows me guys to add this product to cart. Okay, it's just an error. Now if it's not allowing you, then what you guys need to do here, as you can see available, you want to add here some like for example you want to add here one, click on save, and that's exactly how you can fix the problem. Now the second method here is to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on locations. As you can see, locations, and as you can see I have added a location which is Los Angeles, California. Now what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to click on the location. Okay, you want to click on the location, as you can see. And after you click on it, you want to check this box that says here fulfill online orders from this location. Okay, you want to check this box and you want to click on save. Of course you have to save your changes. Now if you don't have any location here, you want to click here, it says add location, and click on name the location. For example, location, click done, and then click on add address. You just need to fill it with your home address. Okay, or the address you want. Okay, now as you can see, you just need to add an address, a random address here, and click on save. And then check this box that says here fulfill online orders from this location, and then the problem is going to disappear, which is this out of stock message you see here. Okay, so hopefully this one guys helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one.